The only brand you can think of is Halls. I pulled something, I think. Hey, holidays are every day. And today is Cough Drop Day. You know, cough drops, the small tablets usually medicated that slowly dissolve in your mouth to suppress coughing. Cough drops. The suckers that are pretty much hard candy, which also contain some of the same ingredients like sugar and corn syrup, but for some reason is advertised as medicine. Come on, you know, the cough candy, which it was first named in 1852, created by a James Smith, where he took his simple recipe and sold them out of a glass bowl on streets, which then started a huge business called Smith Brothers Cough Candy, later called Smith Brothers Cough Drops, which then was sold to someone else in 1963 and finally shut down in 1972. You didn't know that? You know, the sugary medicinal treat that now has numerous name brands manufacturing them, but really the only brand you can think of is Halls. You talk about cough drop, like coronavirus dance, or COVID-19 EDM. Yeah.
Cough drop.
Oh, we're talking about when you literally drop a cough? A cough drop? A quaff drop? A queef drop! Oh! Crap. I pulled something, I think. Oh, cough drop? Oh, like what people are gonna do when someone coughs once public places open up again. They drop. Oh, god damn! However you interpret this day, happy Cough Drop Day, and thank you for watching. Click the pop-up card to watch me find out how fast I can suck a cough drop to nothing. Click the rectangle to your left for more whatever entertainment. Click the square to buy WE merch and support the channel. Like this mug. And of course, click the circular WE logo to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in a couple days. All right. I can't believe I'm doing this.